Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can be a bit intimidating. New terms, complex charts, and fluctuating prices, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. But what if I told you that getting started doesn't require a small fortune? Today, we're diving into the world of Kraken, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and specifically, their minimum deposit requirements. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a curious newcomer, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to take the plunge, responsibly, of course. So, how much does it really cost to start trading crypto on Kraken? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. The two sides of the Kraken, fiat versus crypto deposits. Kraken, like most exchanges, offers two main ways to fund your account: depositing fiat currency, traditional money like US dollars or euros, or depositing existing cryptocurrency. The minimum deposit amount actually depends on which method you choose. Fiat deposits, a traditional entry point. If you're new to crypto and don't have any existing digital currency, depositing fiat is a great way to get started. Kraken offers a variety of fiat deposit options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and even ACH transfers for U.S. residents. Here's where things get interesting. The minimum deposit amount for fiat currencies varies depending on the specific method you choose. For instance, bank transfers, SWIFT, typically have a minimum deposit of $150 USD. That means you'll need to have at least $150 ready to transfer before you can start trading. Now, some might say $150 is a bit steep for someone just dipping their toes into the crypto pool. But fear not, my crypto-curious comrades. Kraken offers other fiat deposit options with lower minimums. ACH transfers, for example, boast a much friendlier minimum deposit of $10 USD. That's right. You can start your crypto journey with just a tenner. Cryptocurrency deposits, already got some skin in the game? Alright, so maybe you're not a complete crypto newbie. Perhaps you've dabbled in a bit of Bitcoin mining or have some Ethereum leftover from a previous adventure. In that case, you can fund your Kraken account by depositing your existing cryptocurrency. The beauty of crypto deposits? The minimum amounts are generally much lower compared to fiat deposits. We're talking fractions of a coin in some cases. Here's where things get specific, though. Each cryptocurrency on Kraken has its own minimum deposit requirement. For instance, depositing Bitcoin, BTC, might require a minimum of 0.0002 BTC, while depositing Ethereum, ETH, could have a minimum of 0.001 ETH. These amounts are typically very small, and you can find a comprehensive list of minimum deposit requirements for each supported cryptocurrency on Kraken's website. A word of caution, minimums don't mean minimum success. Before you rush off and deposit your life savings, we highly advise against that. It's important to remember that the minimum deposit is just the starting point. The world of crypto is inherently volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate significantly. So, while a $10 deposit might allow you to enter the game, it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Kraken's minimum deposit, a breath of fresh air. Compared to some other exchanges, Kraken's minimum deposit requirements are quite reasonable. With fiat deposits starting at $10 and crypto deposits often requiring fractions of a coin, Kraken opens the door to a wider range of investors, regardless of their budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.